Friends, and you receive these decorative lanyards for your ID and your keys. They're really nice. They have this beautiful decoration, the kind, and this like heart rainbow. I think it's very nice for bringing it with you. If you have to bring your ID or your keys with you and you don't want to lose them, this is a great way of having them with you. You see, this is for the keys. Here you have the card, and it's so easy to put your card. If you have it here, it's locked, so you don't lose your card. Let me show you. You open it like this. You put your card like this one, okay, and you close it. So you have your ID card there. You put it like this here, and it won't open. It's not able to be opened. So you can be working all day with your ID when you need it to show it. And, well, it's a nice, beautiful design, beautiful decorated lanyard. And, of course, if you need to, you can also bring your keys with you. So, well, it's a nice detail for your daily job or for your school or whatever you need to bring your IDs or keys with you. So I recommend you to use this one. This is very, very nice. Thank you.